Hi everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Alpinestars T-SP R Drystar pants, which you can see me wearing here. These are some motorcycle pants that I picked up just as something waterproof, something that has a sporty look that could pair with some sportier boots. That would take me through some colder temperatures, some longer tours if I wasn't sure what the weather would be like, and still be comfortable and look good. So let's have a closer look. So here you can see the TSPR Drystar pants in a little bit more detail. I have them with the SMX V2 boots, and they pair really nicely with these. Now these pants are meant for some cooler riding. Obviously they're waterproof with the Drystar lining, so meant for maybe some touring. But I really like this sporty look. That's the reason I picked these up. I have a pair of Andy's V1 pants, but they were just a little bit too bulky for my day-to-day riding. So I wanted something that was a bit more flexible. These pants are fantastic. They have two hand warmer pockets on either side. The left side is actually waterproof. You can feel that waterproof liner in there, so that's really handy. They also have vents on either side. Now these are direct vents through the waterproof liner, and these also Velcro open so that they stay open while you're on the road, and that just helps flow that air directly to your skin. I do like that these pants have some extra room, so I'm able to wear a pair of shorts underneath. I do have some other pants that don't allow a lot of extra space under, and it's nice having something that's a little bit more versatile. There's some really good stretch paneling. They fit well throughout. They do have some hard armor on the knees, and they do come included with some extended knee armor as well. That's some level 1 GP plus armor, I believe it's called. There are also pockets to install some Bioflex hip protectors, which are level 1 protectors, which I've installed. My cat's helping out. I hope you don't mind. Honestly, these are great. These are size medium. I normally wear a size 30 of jeans, so these are a fantastic fit when it comes to that. Let's see. Okay, one thing I'm really not too... I'm not sure if I'm fond of it or not, but I do like that these boots fit, or these pants fit nicely into sport type boots like this. The description said that they fit over boots as well, and technically they do, but it can be a little bit awkward. So if we open up these boots, we take a boot off, we can see that the pants themselves have a little bit of Velcro, which can be undone, and then a full zipper that covers up most of the calf, and this has a nice interior gusset as well. So this will allow you to fit the pant over a boot if you have a waterproof boot that you like to wear, or something along those lines. Now, a bit of a gripe is that while it will fit over, it won't be very smooth. You generally won't be able to do this zipper up just because of that boot right there. Now the Velcro does have some adjustability, so you can still tighten it up right around the ankle. Just know that it might look a little bit more awkward when you're looking at it from the side. I do have some waterproof boots, and they do fit over or inside just fine, so just keep that in mind. The waist does have a waist connection zipper, and on the inside it actually has some loops that you can pull out and attach to a jacket if it just has belt loops, or if you have a belt that you want to add. It does have a magnetic buckle system along with a standard button and your normal fly. All in all, I like these boots. They're great. I forgot to mention they also include thermal shorts. Now the shorts only go down to just above the knee, but they are quite warm on those colder days. They tend to keep most of my legs warm enough. I've worn them down to about 12 degrees. Very, very comfortable with the liner in. Taking the liner out, wearing them up to 25 degrees and the vents open, absolutely fantastic. I can't complain. So highly recommend these pants if you're in the market for something sportier in a nice textile that can see you through a bunch of different scenarios. You know, maybe not those hot days, but two season, 3 season, absolutely fantastic. Just not those 30-degree Celsius days. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you.